Hey, thanks for tuning in. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at some of the exterior features on the new Ioniq 9. So in Canada, this is the first Hyundai that has the NACS charge port. It also comes with an adapter to CCS in the trunk.
So at the back of the vehicle, we're going to have this pixel design light bar that's going all the way around. In the center, we have the pixel design reverse light right there. And then way at the bottom, we're also going to have reflectors at the very base, which the reason for that is if you're ever on the highway or you're parked in your vehicle and someone's coming up behind you and the trunk is open, you're not going to have that top high mount stop light that's reflecting. It's just going to be the side lights and then the very bottom. So if you're out at the sides, we have lights out at either side, lights at the bottom. It's going to be much more visible on the road when the trunk is open. Similar to the Tucson, to the Santa Fe, we're going to have, this is kind of becoming a signature with Hyundai, the rear wiper tucked up underneath the rear kind of lip at the back of the trunk here, which again, it's huge because this is all smooth down here. So when it's snowing, snow's not going to catch on the rear wiper. In the summer, when you're not using the wiper enough, it gets kind of dry. Normally sitting out in the sun, it's going to wear more over time just sitting in the sun getting dry. It's going to be in the shade in the summer, and then in the winter there's no snow or ice buildup sitting on top of it. So when you need it to work, it slides the snow off and your whole rear windscreen is going to be clear. Now that reversing camera is actually going to have a special nozzle just for it. These are both hydrophobic lenses in actuality, but this special little nozzle will spray washer fluid on top of the rear view camera, so you can keep it clean without having to come outside, wipe it off with your thumb in the winter or in the spring when things get mucky outside.
Up next here, we have the new auto flush door handles and auto side mirror. So when you walk up to the vehicle, key on you, the door handles automatically pop out and the mirror automatically folds out. And when you lock the vehicle or drive away, it's going to automatically bring the handles in. And here you can see if you ever have a dead key fob battery, need to get into your car, you can pop out the handle by hand and put in the physical key so that you can unlock the door and get into your car. Check out these 21-inch rims, look pretty sweet. And next up, here's our blind view cameras.
And here's how it looks from inside. So here we are in the blind spot monitor. You can see the side of the vehicle behind you, and then as I back up here, still going to be visible. And right here where it's going to be kind of tough from where I can see to shoulder check and actually see if there is someone here, especially a cyclist, a smaller vehicle, a motorcyclist, but you can see me the whole time on the camera, and I'm right here.
Now we'll be looking at our parking cameras and parking sensors. With the i9, you have a front parking camera as well as the traditional backup cam. You can also put it into a 360 view so you can see any obstacles around you and just check your surroundings before you start backing up. And then if you got some obstacles to see past in the interior of the car, like see people sitting in the back seats, you're going to have a digital rear view camera. And as you can see, we can change up the height and adjust where we're looking. Here's some of our rear parking sensors. We've also got sensors up front. And so while you're backing up, you can hear and see on your dashboard where the obstacles are and how close you are to them. And it's a great view, makes it really easy to park the vehicle. Thanks for watching. Check us out in store for more info.